Hello guys, good morning. It's another new day. Yeah, this is Scania 350 having gear issue, having gear malfunction. It's automatic gear, automatic transmission. So we diagnosed to detect the fault. So this is the gear. Yeah, we have to check the fault from our diagnostic tools. So it's showing here clutch actuator. So in this we have to change the clutch actuator. Is malfunction in the electrical system, so we have to replace this one. Yeah, so we have to replace this one with another one, and I'm going to make another video to show you guys the clutch actuator. This clutch actuator is working for selecting gears, working as a clutch booster. It's automatic, it doesn't have a clutch pedal. So this is automatic, it's working electrically, yeah, when it's selecting the gears. Thank you so much. In our next video we will see the clutch actuator and see how to mount it up. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to my TikTok. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.